Today's world's kind of interesting. We see a lot of competitors being bought up by huge companies, and they come into our markets, the rural market, and then those staff and those customers are rolled up to some office in Portland or Seattle, and they lose that relationship, they lose that touch. We are going the other direction. We're doubling down on the relationship. We're going to show up at your place of business or your farm regularly, and so, we come in and we hear all the time, well, I haven't seen my agent in 5 years. Well, a lot's changed in their operation in the last 5 years, so we're very proactive in nature.
We're really able to stay way ahead of the game. What I find is, a lot of our clients that we're talking to, their renewals will come up and it'll be 30 days or 15 days and they're going to renew, and they just got this price increase, right? They didn't even know it was coming. For us, we're 90 to 120 days out. If there's a fluctuation in what their premium is going to be this year, then we'll remarket it for them. And so I think that the nice thing about having the team we have is we really enjoy taking care of our customers.
It's not so much what can we do to save you money this year. It's what is this going to look like in 5 years? How can we maybe improve our risk mitigation practices, documentation practices? How can we improve how we're communicating with underwriters? Because the fact of the matter is that the market's hard. It's a hard market. I've been around ag and trucks my whole life. A lot of other insurance agencies that are either private equity or big, large global brokers. We're a local family-owned insurance brokerage. We get it. We're cut from the same cloth. So
I live and work on a 5th generation farming operation, and we are going to do everything in our power right now because we know how truly hard you have worked to maintain it and keep it going.
The first thing we noticed was the response to needs that we had. They're more productive and more efficient. They do walk-arounds. Their entire staff is helping us through the process and making sure that that process goes smoothly. Then they're able to go back and get us better rates.
I feel like Graybeal Group cares about their customers. It's almost a family aspect with them. And they come out to where we keep all of our equipment. We went over all of the rigs, so that's actually saved us quite a bit of money.
Before Graybeal, we had to deal with calling call centers, talking to computers. Now I call and Andre at Graybeal picks up the phone.
Chaos, smooth.
The relationship that we have with the Graybeal Group is great.
we'll do our best to fight for you, but also take the time to get to know you and your family, because that's what it's all about, protecting what matters most.
The intentional relationship, I think, puts us in a different bracket. So we're always going the extra mile.
Our goal is to always make sure that we're reviewing things before an issue ever arises, making sure that things are correct. That's the difference. We're doubling down on the relationship because we think that's the most valuable piece of what we do.